Good afternoon, traders. Today is the review for the day trading for today, 19th of May 2017. The market was making a started a rallying to the upside. Okay, this is the 5,000 tick chart. As you can see, we are above the VWAP. So there was profit taken in the afternoon. Okay, so well, let's check what the market did and what were the signals for today. Okay, so as we can see over here in the 300 tick chart, we have in the open, this is the open, this line over here, this blue line. We have an extreme tick. Okay, so this is a signal of a reversal. When you see this, it's a reversal because this is from the order book. So we have divergence to the upside, a lower band touch, and well, they had divergence from over here. It was market was screaming that didn't want to go down. So, well, it pushed the market like 50, 40 ticks to the upside and made a pullback again. And we had divergence. Well, the divergence was over here. Okay, because as we can see, the market is going to the upside. So we're looking for longs over here. And well, the market did. It was 10, it was 40 plus ticks. It's more than enough for a day of trading. So, like we always tell you, this system always tells you in advance what you need to do. So you need to prepare for what you see over here. You need to train your eye. That's what you need to do. Over here, you can see that the market was making this big purchase over here, and this is unusual activity. So you can see it continued. Buyers were winning, and see, it's no brainer. So you need to just watch the signals, okay? Trade around the bands and the multi-time frame bands. You need to trade around them. Okay, so the middle is very difficult to trade, so it's uncertainty. Okay, the market then went again to the upside, and we had lots of divergence and exhaustion patterns over here in the upper side of the band. And well, the market took a dive. Okay, so after that, the market just was, like I always tell everybody about the market. Every time it's a Friday, every minute that passes, people leaves the trading over here in the market. So you're left alone. So there's less participants for every minute that goes on. So it gets a little shady. It's very difficult to trade. That's why I always tell people, I emphasize a lot. I can't strain enough to tell people that you need to just make your quick bucks and just call it a day. That's the main thing in this market. You see this big push over here is manipulation over here. There's no way you could have made a trade over here. Once it took it, as you can see over here, order book reversal to the downside. Okay, so it's pure manipulation. Over here was a bear trap. We have huge divergence over here to the upside. Okay, in exhaustion patterns, and they already knew that, and they took a dive with the price, and this is manipulation. This is a bear trap. They're just trying to make you think that they're gonna drop the price, but we have the indicators telling us over here that the market was very oversold, as you can see over here. And maybe you can see a little bit over here, and that the the volume bars were making the bid ask volume bars were descending, and the buying was ascending. As you can see, it's a reversal. So do you see sellers fading and buyers surging? That's why I made this question. So you need to train your eyes just to trade the system. It's not that difficult to do. Once you start using it, you're gonna be able to make money with it and to understand. As you can see over here, we have order book bullish momentum with the arrows over here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth over here. This is, as you can see, was very bullish. This is 60 cents, 70 cents to the upside. It's a lot of money. So you don't, like I'm telling you, but you don't need to trade all day long, all day long. So if maybe you're into binary options or something, well, this system can really gives you a heads up, and help you to trade. As you can see, the market always tends to reverse near the deviation bands. So you need to check with the correlator over here, and look at this dive. It's 60, 70 cents. This is, well, this was the market close almost. And you can see huge selling, as you can see over here. Huge selling. Okay, I can't stress enough that you need to check with real-time indicators. Okay, so you see divergence over here, you see exhaustion, you see divergence from price, and you need to confirm with the volume. If you don't see in the correlator that the market is not diving, but you see over here lots of selling, you need to use your common sense to take decisions. Okay, so you need to use your common sense. So, as you can see over here, the market, as you can see over here, market made a higher high over here, and then this is a lower low. Okay, so this is a weakness. This is weakness. This is weakness. So it's very difficult to trade that way. You need to understand what the market is yelling at you. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you understand a little bit. You can purchase this software via the link in the description below. Okay, so if you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share it, if you will, it will really help us out, to spread the word out there. And have a great weekend with you and your family, and God bless you. Okay, have a great weekend, and bye bye.